All right, so here's your last assignment for college algebra. Your final project. Your final project is going to be to do a flip grid. If you go to info.flipgrid.com, the code that you'll need to enter, the flip code, is Gingrich 5981. After that, you will need to sign in with your school Gmail account. That way they verify that you are actually a student at Simley High School and then can access that specific assignment. On that page that you get to, you'll see the pre-calculus book. Scroll down and choose the topic that says College Algebra Final Assignment. And that'll take you to a new page. That page will show the 3 questions that I have on this page as well. And underneath that, there will be a big green circle with a plus sign in it. You will click on that to start recording your answers. When you're done, you can click, I think it's the record button, and that will stop the recording and submit it for me to grade. Good luck, have fun, and I look forward to seeing your videos and seeing your bright, shiny faces.